Hi, we are asked to find the value of x if 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x is equal to 600. Okay, first we factorize. They have 10 to the power of x as common factor. So we bring that out. Now when this is divided by this, we have 1. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to prove that the answer we got is correct. I believe most of us can find the correct answer, but can we actually show that the answer we got is correct? Which is exactly what I'm going to do at the end of this video. So stay tuned and see how that is done as well. So when this is divided by itself, we have another 1. When this is divided by itself, we have 1. Is equal to 600. So we have 10 to the power of x multiplied by 3 is equal to 600. Now dividing both sides by 3, okay? Dividing both sides by 3, we have 10 to the power of x multiplied by 3 divided by 3 is equal to 600 divided by 3. Now 3 will remove itself, right? Or 3 divides 3 is 1. 1 times 10 to the power of x is 10 to the power of x is equal to 3 will divide this to give us 2. Divide 0 is 0, divide 0 is 0. So we have 10 to the power of x is equal to 200. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our videos. Alright, we upload our videos as often as possible. Tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch, and give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Alright, now at this point, since the variable is the power, the only way to find the value of this x is to take log of both sides of this equation. So we take log 10 to the power of x is equal to log 200. Now remember that log a to the power of x is equal to x multiplied by log a. So we have x multiplied by log 10 is equal to log 200. Now let's divide both sides by log 10. Or we can simply say, but log 10 to base 10 is equal to 1. Okay? So that simply means that this is the same thing as x multiplied by 1 is equal to log 200. Now x multiplied by 1 is x is equal to log. Now 200 is same thing as 100 multiplied by 2. Okay? Now I want us to recollect that log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So having said that, it simply means that we can rewrite what we have on the board as so what we got is x is equal to log 200, and we said x is equal to log 100 multiplied by 2, right? So applying this law, we'll write this as x is equal to log. Now 100 is going to be log 100 plus log 2. Now remember that 100 is the same thing as 10 squared. Okay? So write this as x is equal to log 10 squared, this is base 10 plus log 2. Okay, so this is x is equal to, so this can be written as, using this law, that log a raised to the power of x is equal to x multiplied by log a. So we are going to have, these two will come down, so we have 2 log 10 base 10, right, plus log 2. Remember that anytime the base of your logarithm is not specified, then definitely the base is 10. So that's why I was able to write this as log 10 base 10. Okay, all right. Now moving forward, we have, remember that log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. So that means that our x is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus log 2. So our x is equal to 2 plus log 2. Now, this is the answer. Let's get to the main part of this equation, of this solution. So let's prove that the answer we got is correct. So let's prove that the answer we got, we got that x is equal to 2 plus log 2. Okay, now let's prove that the answer we got is correct. Now, first of all, we have 10 to the power of x up to 3 times, and we simplified it as 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of x is equal to 600. Now let's substitute our x. Our x is 2 plus log 2, right? So we have 3 into 10 to the power of 2 plus log 2, okay, now is equal to 600. We are still checking. So remember that a to the power of m plus a to the power of, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So that means that this will be written as 3 into 10 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of log 2. Remember that this is log 2 base 10, alright? Now, is this equal to 600? So we move further, we have 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 is 10 multiplied by 10, and that is 100. So we have 100 multiplied by, now remember that a to the power of log b base a is equal to b. Yes, a to the power of log b base a is equal to b. So if we relate this law to this, it simply means that the whole of this is 2. Now, is this equal to 600? So we have 3 times 100, that is 300, and 300 times 2, that is 600, is equal to 600. So you can see that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that proves that the answer we got is correct. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.